Hello there, it's Ellie here, and it is the 2nd of September today, and inside my Neobux account, look at this disaster over here. 13 clicks yesterday from my rented referrals after having 32 clicks the day before. I mean, seriously. I was hoping that I would be over the 20 clicks per day minimum by now, but no, obviously not. So what will we do? Well, nothing very much, to be honest, at the moment, because what we're doing is we are focusing on extending these 10 rented referrals. Now, I have done an extension this morning, and it was one of my previous ones, so I'm now down to having 10 to extend. And at the moment I have, 8 cents in my account. That's because I used $1.12 to extend the other rented referral. So what's happening? Let's have a look at the clicks and see how many active we have. We have 54. So we're down one from yesterday, but obviously that's because of the recycling. There's another one's due to be recycled, so it might go down a little bit more, but hopefully it'll go back up again. So what is happening? Direct referrals, we have 40 now. What's happening with them? 117 clicks, so it's gone down. Yeah, it's gone down as well. So okay, so what do we need to do next then? The next step is all about promoting the page that I have created. So let's have a quick look at that. So this is my 5 minutes a day system page. So this is the page that you can see whenever you click the link. Oh, no, okay. I'm not connected to the internet apparently. Okay, so now I'm sorted out with the internet. This is my 5 minutes a day page, and this is what it looks like. So yes, this is what we're going to be promoting. I just noticed there's a big gap there. I need to sort that out. But what I want to do is to look at what's happening with this page. So I haven't actually started to promote it on any traffic sites or anything yet. I've shared it on my Facebook page, and I've had a total of 343 clicks, and we have 64 action points. So all these are the action points. So that's people, yes, Buster, that's people clicking through on some of the links. And I've noticed that I have got additional referrals for some of the sites that I have included on the page. The only thing I haven't got any more referrals for is Neobux. Okay. So what we're going to do today then is we're going to start and promote Neobux a bit more. And to do this, I am going to start building my email list again. So I haven't done this for a little while. And, well, I have and I haven't, because I have ads that run constantly. So my email list is always updating. But I haven't specifically started a new campaign for promoting my 5 minute a day thing. So what I'm going to do today then is to show you how I'm going to start promoting. So we're in Leadsleap, Page Manager, add a new page campaign, and it's going to be 5 minute a day system. Add now. So this is adding a new page to my Leadsleap account. So this is the new page just added. Now, once you've added a page, then you need to add a design. So you click on this button, and I'm going to add a blank design. And there we go. So we've now got a blank design added to the page and we can start to edit it. So launch editor. Takes a minute or two. There we go. So in here you can see you can choose from some of the templates. There's loads of different templates there and you can look at different templates under this menu as well. Now, I personally like to use a blank page. Ta-da! This is the blank page. This is where I start to create some of my capture pages. Now, the first thing I want you to see is these lines will show you the size of the page. So I like to extend that by quite a lot. So there we go. I've just changed the width there and it's now a lot wider. So what do we do next? Well, before you can start editing the page, you need to add a row. And I'm going to add a 1 column row. And this is the row. Here we go. We've now got a row. Now I could do all sorts of things with this row. I can change the background. I can make it a color. For example, I could make it this color. Or I can just keep it white. And I will be keeping it white. So I just wanted to show you can change the backgrounds and things there. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some text to this row. To do that, I click on the Add Text element over here. And you can see I've got some text, woohoo, which I can move around. So what are we going to say? I'm going to say 5-minute a day system. And I'm going to move that around a little bit. And I am going to double click that. And I can change the text color. So let's make it blue. Choose. So now we've got blue text. Okay, so I'm going to highlight it again and I'll make it bold. Ooh, there we go. It's a little bit bigger. Now what I want to do is to change the styling. So in behind the main kind of option here, you can see styling. So I'm just going to click on here and I will change it to Anton. There we go. So it's changed. Woo! I quite enjoy doing this. So let's just extend this. And the reason I'm doing that is because I'm going to make it a lot bigger. There we go. Let's go up to, oh, let's see, what will we go to? About 100? Aha, there we go. So we've now got 5-minute a day system, nice and big, but it's over to the side. So I will click this and center. Woohoo! There we go. So we've now got text. 5-minute a day system. What else are we going to say? I can duplicate this, give it another row, and what will we change this to? Has earned me over $15,000. I'll put a comma in there, I think. Boom. Okay, so what else will we say? I think I'll add some more text. I'll add another little bit down here. Request info below for step by step guide. How's that? So we will move this around a little bit and move that over, double click and bold, and let's see, what will we do with this one? So as you can see, you can just play around with the pages on Leadsleap. You can add whatever text you want. You can, oh, that's the wrong one. It's this one I need. So I need to highlight. There we go. Now I'm going to make this into a capture page, which means I need to have an email box, and I need to have a name box, and I need to have a button. There we go. So I'm going to extend that to about, let me see, 1,000. So I can center that. You can see here, middle. This one I will extend to 1,000 as well. And you can see the width up here is 1,000. Move that up a bit. Center. Change my button size. And I'm going to change the color of the button to red. Maybe a little lighter red. Yeah, we'll stick with the bright red. There we go. So there we go. We've now got a very basic capture page. Now, if I want to preview it, see what it's going to look like, we just hit the preview button. And it'll take a minute or two because of the software, but there we go. That's the sort of capture page that I have just created. So this is what I'm going to use to help me to build my email list. Now, when I'm looking at this, I'm thinking that looks a bit small, so I'll extend this a little bit, I think. And I can change the text in here. So I'll say, click. No, hold on. Yes, please send me the info. I will check my email inbox. There we go. Looks a bit better. And I can extend this, make the text a bit bigger. And you don't want to change the text itself. I want to change the size. There we go. Right, so let's preview now. Yes, that looks better, I think. Okay, I think I'm done. So that's it. That's how you create a lead capture page on Leadsleap. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be adding this capture page to some traffic sites, and I will show you how to do that in another video. Okay, take care now.